Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. And I was going through my phone clearing out some old videos and voicemail messages, and I actually ran across this one, which I thought was rather interesting.
Hi, this is Teresa with ABF Freight, calling to let you know we have a shipment of a car lift.
Yeah, and that made me realize it's actually been 1 year to the day that I took delivery of my Wildfire lift. So, if you're in the market for a 4-post lift or a car stacker or something for your garage, I kind of figured now was the right time for me to do my video testimonial, for Mike and Brad and all the people at Wildfire. So, basically here it is. And if you've been to my channel before and you've seen some of my car videos, a lot of them start out this way, and once I get around the corner of this bush here, this is pretty much predominantly displayed in every one of those videos. So yes, I did purchase a Wildfire 9K lift. I got it at the beginning of November last year. It came in on the 30th, exactly 1 year ago, and I assembled it about 2 weeks later. So I've been kind of using this for basically a year non-stop, and I primarily use it as a car stacker, just because I'm a wheel hoarder. And so up top I usually have the Z, which is my 350Z track car. Down below I have my Lamborghini, which is known as the Cheddar Wedge. And I've also used it to work on other cars. I have a Corvette and obviously the Nash, but for the most part this is why I bought it. So if you're like me and you're looking for something like this, which I don't know any car enthusiast that is not looking for this, but I was all over the internet for a good solid month or two, just looking at all the competition, comparing prices, accessories, build quality, reviews, videos, you name it. So I'm sure you're probably doing the exact same thing, and that's why you're watching me rambling right now. But it's not a paid sponsorship, or I have no affiliation with Wildfire itself, but I will tell you that, I looked at all the competition, Backyard Buddy, Advantage Lifts, Ben Pack. I really didn't look at anything that was kind of sub $1,000 range, any of the Chinese knockoff stuff, because, I value my life a little bit more than that. But, this thing ticked all of the boxes. As far as what you get for the price, and the fact that it's manufactured in the USA, and also one thing that I was most impressed about is actually talking to Mike, one of the owners, on the phone, and he knew everything about the product. So I had to really jump through a bunch of hoops talking to Backyard Buddy, trying to get like what their lockout positions were, what the length of the rails were, just all kinds of little things. And then Ben Pack had a little 2-post car stacker, and they had absolutely no idea anything about it. So they didn't even know what the gross vehicle weight was that it could handle, what the lockouts were. So that's painful when you're trying to make this kind of decision and this big of a purchase. So I was very impressed with their knowledge about their product. So I would say my only other complaints about this particular kind of package would be their access ramps. So pretty much like everybody, they sell some steel, kind of same corrugated, like diamond plate type ramps. They're steel, they're very heavy, they don't have very much approach length or angle to them. So for me, I can't get any of these cars up onto the ramp. So I highly recommend that if you're going to go with something like this, you pick up a set of race ramps. So these things are foam. They weigh absolutely nothing, and they lock right in, the same as what the factory Wildfire ones do. And what's nice about them is they're flexible, to an extent. So if you have an angled driveway or a little dip or anything, these can accommodate that and get up onto the ramp. So I have no scraping on the front of any of the vehicles, and including the Snow White here with the side skirts. So that's able to get up onto the ramp with no problem too. So again, what I said, that I was impressed with a lot of the accessories, because everybody else seems to not include those, and they nickel and dime you on them. This comes with basically the ramps, 3 drip trays. You also get this center jack stand that's movable. You can flip it over for oil, although that does me no good like on the Corvette because that's 10 quarts. But you know, this I have used as well. And trying to think of what else. Oh, the dollies. So the dollies are actually great because I was able to assemble this in the center of my garage, and then when it was done I was able to lower the ramps down and use these dollies, which I'll show you what I'm talking about. And once you lower that down on this, then it just picks the whole thing right up, and you can kind of move it around and move it into place. So that's been fantastic. So as far as delivery, assembly, you know, all the little bits and pieces, this came in ABF freight. I went down with a flatbed trailer, brought it home. I do have video of that, so you know, give you an idea of at least what I did, since I didn't have like a forklift or a warehouse or something to accommodate it. But I basically used an engine hoist and a couple of vehicle dollies to kind of slide it into the garage. And then I had to go out of town for a couple weeks, came back, started the assembly, and I didn't pay anybody, didn't have a bunch of help, but basically did the assembly myself. So, you know, it is something that you can do. It's not that difficult, it's not that complicated. And one of the things that's nice is most of this is pre-assembled. So unlike, I think, Advantage lifts, all these little bits and pieces and all this small little linkage and everything, you have to basically put all of that together with their product. Where here, I think the cabling, a bunch of those pieces, the hydraulic tubing and everything, I mean, that was already in place. So I think my wife helped me like get the H-frames up, and then on the one ramp with the engine hoist, getting that in place. And I have a video of that too, so I'll post that maybe up in the corner of the assembly. And it only took maybe a few hours, and then, oh yeah, running out and having to get hydraulic fluid because for some reason I spaced that. But otherwise it wasn't that difficult. And this thing is, I mean, especially with vehicles on it, I mean, it's solid. It's it's not going anywhere. So a couple things that I like this over the competition was, like I said, build quality, made in the USA. The beams are wider and thicker than most of the competition. The base plates are basically the same too. Now, I do not have mine bolted in, so you know, this is movable. But if you're in you know, an area where you want to bolt it, or seismic, you know, you got a lot of that kind of activity, you might want to, you know, shoot it into the floor. For me, you know, not a need. And again, with the dollies, I was able to assemble it in the middle and then lift it up and move it to exactly where I wanted it. So a couple of the other advantages that I like with Wildfire, 9,000 pounds, so that's double like Backyard Buddy, and probably not necessarily half the price of what BenPack wants. And again, well, yeah, probably half when you add in all the accessories. So that's an advantage. This one is a little longer and is also wider, so that has, you know, an advantage and a disadvantage to it. So for me, I was very, very limited on space. However, if I tried to do anything else, I might stagger another lift, and that might work. Otherwise, it's not going to work for me. It's a little bit too big. However, with the Lamborghini, one of the issues is, I think, like with the BenPack Narrow and also Backyard Buddy, is the car really doesn't fit. So even with the mirrors in, the tires are running over both the plates, and I mean, I had like this much room, so this extra space is fine. I don't have any problems driving in. I'm not concerned about hitting anything on either side. So anyway, that's kind of my you know, testimonial. Take it for what it's worth. You know, I am a customer. I've gone through those debates, and this is what I picked, like many other people, and I really couldn't be happier. I just I wish I had the space to throw another one in next to it, and I definitely would. So Mike, Brad, thanks again. All you guys at Wildfire, great job. And for anybody out there looking for something similar to this, you know, I hope this video helps. Later. And this is just for everybody who keeps asking me, they want to see video of the cars raising and lower. When there's not a car on this, it's pretty slow, but when there is a car on it, you know, it's fairly fast. Like I said, it's fairly fast. And the race ramps, by far, are the best.